So hello, today I am doing another video on how to what kind of photo editing apps I'm actually using for my Instagram and how to edit Instagram photos to grow followers at Instagram photo editing apps. So here I am going to use a photo editing app right here. This is a section. So I use SnapSeed. SnapSeed is a beautiful app that I can download from anything that I want. So let's say I'm going to use some images of, let's say not recent one, images from camera. Let's see if I can find something here. Images, a different camera. So here I am. Okay, so I can do smooth out or pop up anything that I like. I can make it accentuate or faded glow, morning. You get the idea. So let's say I want to use a current one and I say yes, and then I have special tools in here. And the special tools in here, I can just figure out what exactly I'm looking for. Am I looking to crop it? If I press a crop, I can just crop it and that's it. Or am I using it for, let's say glamour glow? I can use anything that I feel is right. Let's assume I want this, but some of the glamour glow is not great. So I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna play around and see until I find something that I like. Okay, and then we have here, let's see, where can we use black and white? If I want a black and white, I can do dark, light, whichever black and white I choose for. So this is something that you can play around and see it for yourself. Look how beautiful this is. Look how amazing this is. I kind of like the orange one. So this is what I use, and then I can do export, I can share it, I can save it, I can export it and export as. And then this is for my Instagram. So now that I mentioned Snapseed, my next one will be VSCO. So VSCO, I am going to start with going to my, let's see, where is it? To my face. Okay, so let's say this is my image that I want. Hold on, I'll go to members, I go to my studio and I go to plus sign, and then I'm going to select the image that I'm looking for. Let's say the image that I want is from camera. I can't find what I want in this camera, so maybe a different camera. And let's see, can find what I want, maybe pictures. Okay, this one. I'm gonna choose this one and I'm gonna do import. So I'm importing it to VSCO, and then I'm going to click on it and I'm gonna click on this button, the black and white, and I'm the same thing. I'm gonna choose which one I feel is the right is the right one. So let's assume I want this one. I press with this two lines, and the most that I like is the sharpen one. So now look at when I sharpen it, it looks amazing. When I sharpen it, it looks so amazing. As you can see, I can play around and see for myself. Or I can do exposure, and the exposure can be, it's either too light, too dark, or just in between. Okay, now we have also clarity. Clarity can be, as you can see, it becomes artistic, and I can just, I love this artistic view. And basically you get the idea. VCSO has a lot of nice ones. So text and next, and then I do save, and then I go save again, and it's going to save on my background, in my gallery. So that's the two apps that I'm using to create Instagram photo editing to grow followers. So these are the two apps. So I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. Follow me on Instagram. It's in the description box below. See you next time.